Hi, my name is Felicia. I'm from 𝗙𝗔𝗟𝗟 Academy and we work with Buku, Jalan, Chow to bring education to the underserved community here at Chow. Here at our Learning Centre, we use project-based learning to make learning a lot more meaningful for our students. And this semester, we'll be using art as a tool to bring awareness to the different wastage around the world. Students will be learning about different types of wastage, for example, food wastage and also the fast fashion industry. After learning about all this, students will then decide on an art installation that they want to create. It could be a sculpture, or it could be a play, or even a spoken word poetry to bring awareness to all these topics that they have learned. If you are an artist, we would love to have you on board and help consult our students on their final project. We as teachers, we have limited knowledge and skills when it comes to art, but we want to provide opportunities for our students to learn from professionals out there and create the best artwork that they possibly could make.